The 2026 Aprilia R5 660 is here, and it might just be the middleweight sport bike that every rider has been waiting for. Aprilia has built a reputation for creating motorcycles that combine race-inspired performance with cutting-edge technology, and the latest R5 660 continues that tradition in spectacular fashion. Designed for riders who want the excitement of a superbike without the intimidating size and weight of a leader-class machine, this motorcycle offers an incredible balance of power, agility, comfort, and everyday usability. Whether you're carving through mountain roads, enjoying weekend track days, or simply cruising through the city, the 2026 Aprilia R5 660 promises an experience that feels far more premium than its displacement suggests. At first glance, the bike immediately grabs attention with its aggressive aerodynamic styling. Every panel appears carefully sculpted to improve airflow while giving the motorcycle a futuristic appearance. The sharp LED headlight design, sleek bodywork, compact tail section, and race-inspired graphics create a machine that looks ready to dominate both the street and the racetrack. Aprilia's MotoGP influence is visible throughout the design, with aerodynamic wing-inspired elements and premium finishes that make the motorcycle stand out in any crowd. It looks fast even when it's standing still. Powering the 2026 Aprilia R5 660 is an advanced parallel twin engine that delivers a thrilling combination of strong low-end torque and exciting high RPM performance. The engine has been refined for smoother throttle response, improved efficiency, and stronger acceleration across the entire rev range. Riders can expect instant power delivery when opening the throttle, making overtaking effortless while maintaining excellent control during everyday riding. The engine's lightweight construction also contributes to the motorcycle's impressive agility, allowing it to change direction quickly and confidently. One of the biggest strengths of the Aprilia R5 660 is its lightweight chassis. Aprilia has always focused on keeping unnecessary weight to a minimum, and the 2026 model continues that philosophy. The aluminum frame provides outstanding rigidity while remaining exceptionally light, giving riders confidence in corners and maintaining stability at higher speeds. Combined with carefully tuned suspension, the motorcycle feels planted during aggressive riding while still remaining comfortable enough for longer journeys. This balance makes the R5 660 appealing to both experienced riders and those moving up from smaller motorcycles. Suspension plays a major role in the bike's impressive handling characteristics. High-quality front forks and a fully adjustable rear shock allow riders to fine-tune the setup according to their riding style and road conditions. Whether attacking twisty canyon roads, commuting through city traffic, or enjoying a weekend track session, the suspension absorbs imperfections while maintaining precise control. Every corner feels predictable, giving riders the confidence to push harder without sacrificing comfort. Braking performance is equally impressive. Large dual front disc brakes combined with powerful radial-mounted calipers provide excellent stopping power with outstanding feel at the lever. The rear brake offers additional control during low-speed maneuvers and corner entry, while advanced ABS technology helps maximize safety under challenging conditions. The braking system inspires confidence whether you're slowing down from highway speeds or navigating busy urban streets. Technology has become one of Aprilia's strongest selling points, and the 2026 R5 660 is packed with advanced electronic features. A full-color TFT display provides crystal-clear information, including speed, gear position, fuel level, riding modes, engine settings, trip information, and smartphone connectivity. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing riders to adjust settings without unnecessary complexity. Bluetooth integration enables turn-by-turn navigation, music controls, and phone notifications, bringing modern convenience to every ride. The electronics package includes multiple riding modes designed for different environments and rider preferences. Whether selecting a mode focused on maximum performance, balanced street riding, wet weather safety, or customizable settings, the motorcycle adapts its throttle response, traction control, engine braking, and electronic intervention accordingly. This flexibility allows riders to enjoy the motorcycle with confidence regardless of road conditions. Traction control has been further refined for 2026, providing smooth and predictable assistance without feeling intrusive. Wheelie control helps maintain stability during aggressive acceleration, while cornering ABS enhances braking confidence when leaning into turns. Engine brake management gives riders additional control when entering corners, making the motorcycle feel composed during spirited riding. These advanced rider aids work seamlessly in the background, allowing the rider to focus on enjoying the road. Comfort has also received significant attention. The riding position strikes an ideal compromise between sporty performance and long-distance practicality. The handlebars, seat, and foot peg placement create a natural posture that reduces fatigue without sacrificing control. Riders can spend hours in the saddle while still enjoying the sharp handling characteristics expected from a true sport bike. The redesigned seat offers improved support, and passenger accommodations have also been enhanced for greater comfort during two-up rides. Fuel efficiency remains another strong advantage of the parallel twin platform. Despite offering exciting performance, the engine is designed to deliver respectable fuel economy, making the R5 660 practical for daily commuting as well as weekend adventures. The generous fuel tank provides useful range between fill-ups, reducing the need for frequent stops during longer trips. Aprilia has also focused on premium build quality. Every switch, control, and body panel feels solid and carefully engineered. The paint quality, graphics, machining, and overall finish demonstrate attention to detail usually found on motorcycles costing significantly more. This commitment to craftsmanship reinforces Aprilia's reputation as one of Europe's most respected motorcycle manufacturers. Customization options allow owners to personalize their motorcycles according to individual preferences. Genuine Aprilia accessories include performance exhaust systems, frame protection, tank pads, luggage solutions, upgraded seats, quick shifters, aerodynamic accessories, and cosmetic enhancements. Riders can create a motorcycle perfectly suited for commuting, touring, spirited weekend rides, or track day performance. When compared with rivals in the middleweight sport bike segment, the 2026 Aprilia R5 660 stands out through its combination of lightweight engineering, sophisticated electronics, premium styling, and confidence-inspiring handling. It successfully bridges the gap between entry-level sport bikes and high-performance superbikes, offering an experience that feels genuinely exciting without becoming overwhelming. Whether you're an experienced rider searching for a lighter, more versatile motorcycle or someone upgrading to a premium middleweight machine, the 2026 Aprilia R5 660 deserves serious attention. It delivers thrilling acceleration, razor-sharp handling, advanced rider technology, everyday practicality, and unmistakable Italian style in one beautifully engineered package. Every ride feels engaging, every corner invites confidence, and every journey reminds you why motorcycles like this continue to capture the imagination of riders around the world. If Aprilia's goal was to build one of the most complete and exciting middleweight sport bikes of 2026, the R5 660 proves they've come remarkably close to achieving exactly that.